So y'all, we're gonna do some meal preps. You know, now that I'm working from home, I'm basically here at home all the time, so I find that if I meal prep, it's a lot easier, especially like when I'm working longer hours. So all you have to do is just go to the refrigerator, get your container, and pop it in the microwave, and there you go. So I'm gonna do some meal preps. I've already cooked my chicken, and I usually do it one or two ways. I usually bake it or I boil it. This time I actually boiled it, so let's look and see what we got. Now I'm getting ready to season my chicken, and then I'm gonna do some barbecue. So we're gonna have some barbecue chicken and some mashed potatoes, and then barbecue chicken and green beans. All right, let's get to it. Okay, so I've already washed my hands. They're all nice and clean. And like I said, I do either boiled chicken, excuse me, or either, get that meat, boiled chicken or either baked chicken. And so I decided I was being lazy today, so I just wanted to bake it, excuse me, not bake it, boil it. I do it one or two ways. Bake it or boil it. That's my stove. I preheated my stove, my oven. Now I'm just getting the chicken skin off. It's probably easy, well, I don't know if it's easy to do it before you cook it or what, but it's just sticking to my fingers.
Yeah.
And we'll be back in a little bit. So like I told y'all, I change up the way I fix stuff all the time. Like I said earlier, it's lazy cooking, lazy day. So I already cut up my potatoes and boiled them. So now all I'm gonna do is put me some butter in here. What I always said, well, you didn't hear me in the last video, but my kitchen, my rules. You cook your stuff the way you want, and I'll cook mine the way I want. So got the stove back on. Put a little milk in here. Let that come to a boil. Or bring it up, however you want to say. Oh, bring up the heat. Oh, bring up the heat. Bring that heat up. So y'all have a habit of, even though your dishes are clean, I always still rinse everything off. So I'm making some mashed potatoes. Usually what I do is I get my blender out, or my mixer. I don't know what y'all call it, but let me make sure my volume's up. But yeah, I usually use my mixer, my blender, and I blend it like that. But like I said, it's a lazy day. So what I'm doing, ooh, that's a little too much pepper, but I like pepper. Put your little salt in there. I'm gonna stir them up. I got a little beater somewhere, a hand beater. Turn that down. Yeah, I like my potatoes to be my a little buttery. Let me wipe my stove off. We got company, so you want to keep it clean. But yeah, what I usually do, I blend it up. But that right there is just not really creamy enough for me. Put a little more milk in there. We're gonna call these mashed potatoes, not cream potatoes, because you know cream potatoes, like I said, we'll put my little blender out. You're not in the restaurant, so you fix them however you want them. You know what? Let's put a little onion. I mean, not onion, garlic powder in there. Make them good. I don't know what my whip is. I said whip, but whisk. So let's turn that off. Put a little more butter in there. Your stuff ain't good without a little butter. Some people might say a lot of butter. Do it with my left hand. A fork would do good too. Let's mash them up a little bit. I don't know where my whisk is. So you know, you're at home, You gotta improvise. So you just cut them potatoes up. Put that butter in them. That's good old heating right there. So get your spoon. Even though it looks like it was a lot of salt, it really wasn't. And you know what, y'all? You know when people is trying, yes, their kitchen and everything. But you gotta remember other people eating that food, so a lot of people use the same spoon. But I'm getting another one. And we're gonna try these. See that? Tastes pretty good. So my chicken is still in the oven. It's actually turned off, so I'll be right back. You wanna plate this or prep it as they call it, so you'll say meal prep for the week. All right. All right, so my chicken, potatoes, and green beans are finished. So now it's time to plate everything or put everything in a container. So move this out the way. Get another fork, it might make it a little easier. You guys probably can't see everything. Let's see. So we're just putting 2 pieces of chicken in each container. This chicken is coming off the bone, falling off the bone. Kind of hard to get it up. That one is, excuse me, got a little jip, so let's put some of these. Yeah.